Hey guys, Vic from Airbowl here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble your AirFit N30i, P30i, as well as your AirTouch N30i masks. Okay, so here we have the three different masks. This is the P30i. Of course, the P30i is ResMed's nasal pillows. Pillows are the ones that go in your nostrils with the top of the head swivel connection. Very popular mask as the hose is completely out of your way. This is the AirFit N30i version, which shares the same frame and headgear. However, the nose cushion is like a hybrid cradle cushion that just sits under your nose and doesn't have the little prongs that go in your nostrils. The third version we have here is the new AirTouch N30i, which is basically the same as the AirFit N30i we have over here. However, the body of the frame is wrapped in a nice soft fabric material, and the nasal cushion itself is also wrapped with a fabric material. Now, the reason why we're doing all three masks in this video is because all the parts on these masks are actually interchangeable. The frame and the head straps are identical, and the nose pieces can be interchanged in between them. So let's start off on the P30i first. So you have the complete mask assembly, you have your elbow swivel that connects to your main tubing, you have your back headgear, which is what you could adjust to make it tighter. You have the frame, which are the side panels that go around, as well as the nose piece. And all these pieces can actually come off. So first off, starting with the headgear, you just undo the Velcro on both sides, and it simply just comes right off the loops. So you can remove the head straps just like that. The elbow swivel, there's pincher clips on the side, those white clips there. You can pinch it and it comes right off. So that's how you disconnect the elbow. And then the nose inserts, you would just yank it right from the sides of the frame. So now you have completely disassembled your P30i mask. You might want to do this when you're doing your weekly cleaning, as you get better surface area with your washing when you do this. And now to put it back together, it's fairly simple. So we can start on the headgear again. So when you look at your headgear, you will see a ResMed logo. Make sure it's upright and legible when you're putting it on. That's how you know it's on the right side. If it's upside down, then it's reverse, okay? So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the Velcro end, you're gonna pass it in from the back side of the frame into the loop, and then you're just gonna turn it around and adhere it back right on the strap. You're going to just repeat that process on the other side as well. So we're just going to stick it right through that loop and tape it back. And now your Velcro strap is attached to your frame. The elbow piece, you're simply just going to push it right up top, and you'll hear a little clicking sound of it latching in place. And then for the nose piece, you can put any of these three nose pieces actually in between this frame. They're all identical. So what you're going to look for is the arrow on the cushion. There's going to be only one arrow on one side where the sizing is located. So in this case, we have a small cushion denoted by the S. And then you're going to notice an arrow on one side of the frame as well. There is no arrow on the other side. You want those arrows to be facing each other, and that's the right orientation to insert the nose pillow. So those two are facing, and then there is no arrow on that side. So we're going to pop those two ends together, and now we have completely assembled your P30i. The same format works for this N30i as well. You just pop the cushion right off from the frame on both sides. Again, there's an arrow indicating on the frame and on the nose piece on which part to insert. Of course, if you wanted to put a P30i cushion like this nasal insert, you could do that as well on here, because these masks are all interchangeable. So basically that would snap on, again, arrow to arrow, and then the sides with no arrows would also match up. So now you've basically converted your N30i to a P30i mask by putting the nasal pillow. The headgear removes out the exact same, and then the elbow also removes the exact same as the previous mask. Now, the AirTouch N30i over here, it looks a bit different, but it is working in the same manner. So the cushion, you separate it right in between on both sides, and to reattach them, you're just going to match the arrow on each side. Now, the fabric wrapping on this frame is not removable. So that's one thing that you can't remove. It is meant to just be washed all together with the frame assembly. However, this cushion piece, you can attach it to the non-fabric wrapped frame. It will fit. So basically, you just separate the cushions, and then you just attach the new one that you want to insert. So we're putting the fabric wrapped AirTouch N30i cushion, and we'll insert that here. And now basically you have an AirTouch N30i cushion with your AirFit N30i frame. So these are all interchangeable masks. Basically, you have the detachable elbow, the Velcro that comes off on both sides of the loop, and the nose cushion that completely separates. So essentially, you got 3 different mask options with the same frame and headgear. Super useful to have it this way. So if you were unsure which mask you prefer, you could just get one of them and then get the nose pieces separately for the other masks you're interested in and make it work with your existing frame. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button and comment down below on any other video suggestions you want us to make, and stay tuned till next time.